form of currency. It is the digital asset, digital form of currency. As we all know that in early ages there were many forms of currency, like coins, then notes, then plastic money, checks, and net banking, and many UPI apps, PayPal. So what is the next revolution in this sequence? That is what cryptocurrency is. There are many cryptocurrencies available in the market. The first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, which was launched in 2009, and now its price is around $35K. So that's a huge growth there. The currency which we are working upon is Tron. Tron was launched in 2017 by Justin Sun, and currently it is having the maximum transaction speed on blockchain. That is 748 transactions per second. So guys, welcome to Tron for Sure, the next level endless earning program. Its official website is www.tronforsure.io. You can visit and you can check out the things there also. When we talk about the joining amount for Tron for Sure is 100 TRX. And what is difference between Tron for Sure and other concepts which are running and closed in the market? It is globally accepted. Everyone from all over the world is working upon the system, because success is guaranteed here. If you enter in the system, your success is guaranteed as soon as you enter and start working here. It is impossible to scam. Already a big community is working on this project, and there is no chance of any scam here. Open source smart contract which is running on Tron blockchain. Very simple. The concept is very simple. You can easily understand it. Very reliable, very affordable, trusted. Long term. Yes, this is the most important factor, long term. The project which we are working upon should be the long term lifetime project, so that we don't have to change it again and again. We have to stick a place. That is the only option that we can earn money from there, and it is innovative. Yes, in 100 TRX, starting by 100 TRX, you can earn endlessly here. You just have to work, and it is also a revolutionary change in Tron history. You will understand all these things as soon as you discuss the plan. Talking about the joining amount, as I have already told you, it is 100 TRX only. You can start working here from 100 TRX only. Types of income. How many type of income you get from Tron for Sure? That first one is sponsor income, second one is level income, third one is uni-level income, fourth one is auto pool income, and fifth is global dividend. Yes, 5 types of income just by starting with 100 TRX. Now talking about the packages and the distribution. There are total 8 upgrades in the system after joining, in which joining is counted as first upgrade. After joining 100 TRX, second upgrade, 200 TRX, third upgrade, 400 TRX, fourth upgrade, 800 TRX, fifth upgrade, 1600 TRX, sixth upgrade, 3200 TRX, seventh upgrade, and last one is 6400 TRX, eighth upgrade. Total investment you can do here is 12,800 TRX only. Now let's talk about the distribution. When you join in the system with 100 TRX, 50 TRX goes to a sponsor who have referred you. There is no level, so there will be no level income here. 20 TRX will go to uni level. And how it will be distributed? 3 by 3 matrix, and to the 20 levels. It means if you are joining, then 20 your appliances are getting the profit. And 10 TRX will go to auto pool. Auto pool is non-working. It will go automatically. It means 2 TRX to the 5 people. When you join in the system, you give 2 TRX to the 5 people who have already joined before you. And global dividend 20 TRX. 20 TRX goes to global dividend fund. Global dividend is the very special thing. We will talk about it later. Following the same pattern, there are 8 upgrades and the distribution is same. When we talk about the next upgrade of 100 TRX, 10 TRX goes to the sponsor who have sponsored you. 30 TRX will go to the level who is your second level applying. He will get the 30 TRX, and 20 TRX will again go to the uni level income. It means that when you upgrade again your ID, then the same people who have got 11 TRX from your joining, they will get 11 TRX more as a uni level income. and 20 TRX will go to Autopool 2. Those who have upgraded their Autopool 2, they will get 44 TRX from each 100 TRX upgrade, and 20 TRX will go to Global Dividend. Following the same pattern, there are total 8 upgrades. You can understand them one by one. When we talk about the last upgrade, 6400 TRX, 780 TRX goes to the sponsor who has referred you. 2340 TRX goes to the your placement upline, who is your 8th level placement upline. He will get 2340 TRX, and 1280 TRX will go to the uni-level income. The same 20 people, they will get 64 TRX each from a single upgrade of 6400 to the 20 level, and 1000 TRX goes to the auto pool. It means that 200 TRX per person. 5 people will get benefit there, and 200 TRX each, and 1000 TRX will go to global dividend. So it is the complete distribution of our packages. Now let's talk about the sponsor income. As I have already shown you in the previous slide, that the total sponsor income when we count here is 1640 TRX. What does it mean? It means if you refer someone to the system, he joins the system and he upgrades his all levels, then you get sponsor income on each upgrade, and that is total is 1640 TRX. Now talking about the level income. When you join with 100 TRX, your ID is activated, you get a refer link, and when you refer it to the 3 friends. Also I want to tell you one thing, that the system works in 3x3 structure, and when you refer more than, you can refer unlimited people, but when you refer more than 3 people, then the 4th people will go to your second level. So there can be maximum 3 people in your first level, 9 people in your second level, 27 people in your third level, and the same follows till the 8th level. So when 3 people join under you, you get 50 TRX from each of them. Your total turnover is 150 TRX. You can upgrade 100 TRX from that, and your income is 50 TRX. After your upgrade, 9 people will be there in your second level. When they upgrade their second level, you will get 30 TRX from each of them as level income. 270 TRX will be your turnover, and you can upgrade by 200 TRX, and your income is 70 TRX. Your third level is now upgraded. So 27 people will be in your third level. They can be referred by you, your upline, or your 3 people, or your 9 people. 27 people will be there, and when they will upgrade their third level of 200 TRX, you will get 75 TRX from each of them. 2025 TRX. You can upgrade your 4th level from there by 400 TRX, and 1625 TRX will be your income. Now your 4th level is already upgraded. 81 people will be in your 4th level, and when they will upgrade their 4th level with 400 TRX, 165 TRX you will get from each of them. Your total turnover will be 13,365 TRX. 800 TRX you can upgrade your 5th level, and the rest is 12,565 TRX is your income. Now 800 TRX, your level 5 is also activated. 243 people will be on your level 5, and when they will upgrade their 5th level, 330 TRX you will get from each of them, and your total turnover will be 80,190 TRX. You can upgrade your 6th level from there of 1600 TRX, and the rest is your income at 78,590 TRX. Now your 6th level is also upgraded. 729 people will be in your 6th level, and when they will upgrade their 6th level with 1600 TRX, you will get 660 TRX placement income from each of them, and your total income will be 4,81,140 TRX, from which you can upgrade by 3200 TRX your 7th level, and your total income will be 4,77,940 TRX. When you upgrade your 7th level of 3200 TRX, you are eligible to get this 7th level income too, and that is from 2,187 people, 1170 TRX from each of them, and total is 25,58,790 TRX. You can upgrade your last level of 8th level, that is 6,400 TRX, and rest is your income, that is 25,52,390 TRX. Now your all levels are upgraded. and in your 8th level there will be maximum 65-61 people, and when they will upgrade their 8th level with 6400 TRX following you will get 2340 TRX from each of them, and your total turnover and income in the particular level is gonna be 1,53,52,740 TRX. So following the all incomes, when we add all of them, your total income from the level income is, only from the level income, it is 1,84,75,970 TRX. So I guess you can upgrade one by one and you have understood the level income too. Now let's talk about it through diagram, how it is distributed. So when 3 people join under you, they give 50-50 TRX to you, 150 TRX total. And when you refer after 3 people, if you refer the 4th people too, then where he will go? He will go under the A. By spilling, you will get his sponsor income too, and also the level income of that particular level. And uni level income you are going to get each and every time. It will support your teammates too. If they are not working, then it will support them. They will get help from here and they will also start working. The same is second level. If your second level is upgraded and 9 people will be there, 30-30 TRX. Same is third level, 200 TRX, 27 people will give you 75 TRX each, and that is 2025 TRX. Same method is followed till 8th level. You can see in the slide and in the PPT. Now let's talk about the lost placement. If you haven't upgraded your particular level, and on that particular level if someone upgrades that particular level, then what will happen? So we will talk here about the third level, that is 200 TRX. If IID is upgrading his third level, okay, the placement income should go to F. But if F is not upgraded to the third level, then the placement income will go to the placement upline of F, that is C. And if also C is not upgraded to the third level, then it will go to U, because you are the placement upline, third level placement upline of C. So this is how the lost placement works. So you should upgrade your levels. Now let's talk about the uni level income. Here your team grows in the structure of 3x3 till 20 levels, and you are going to get the uni level income till your 20 levels. And the team size here is 5,000 million. Yes, you have heard it right. And you will get 128 TRX from each placement. In the 20 levels, if someone is joining in your team, you will get the uni level. If he is upgrading one by one, you will get 128 TRX from all his upgrades. And you can see that, you can check out the team size. Just imagine if all of them upgrades their all levels, what will be your uni level income? That is the main focus of the system. Now let's talk about the auto pool income. Auto pool income is automatic, as we have seen in the distribution, that a some amount of each and every upgrade from joining to some amount goes to auto pool. Like when we join in the system, 10 TRX goes to auto pool, that is distributed among 5 people by 2 TRX. That you can see 726 TRX total you get if you join the system. If you just join the system, then you are eligible to get 726 TRX. Following 3x3 matrix till 5 level, and in each level you are going to get 2 TRX from each of the people. So from first level you will get 6 TRX, second level 18, 54, 162 and 486. From 363 people you will get 2 TRX from each of them, and total is 726 TRX. Now when we talk about auto pool 2, 20 TRX goes to auto pool 2 from second upgrade. When you upgrade your ID by 100 TRX, second level upgrade, you are eligible to get 1452 TRX. That you will get 44 TRX from 363 people in a structure of 3x3. So if you join the system and upgrade your ID to the second level by 100 TRX2, then you are eligible to get both of the income, that is 726 TRX plus 1456 TRX. Same is Autopool 3 and Autopool 4. When you upgrade your ID with 200 TRX and 400 TRX, your Autopool 3 and Autopool 4 are also activated, and you are going to get the income like 2178 TRX from Autopool 3 and 3630 TRX from Autopool 4. The same structure is followed till 8th level, and the income keeps on increasing as soon as each of the level you start upgrading. So in the total 8 levels, if you upgrade your all levels in the system, then you are eligible to get 1,38,666 TRX. That is non-working auto pool. That will come you automatically. If you not work, then also the same income is going to come. And if you work, then you are going to earn endlessly from here. Now let's talk about the global dividend. Yes, this is the most special part of the system. As you have seen in our packages where we have seen the dividend distribution, 20 TRX when anyone join in the system, then 20 TRX goes to global dividend. When he upgrades his second level, then also 20 TRX goes to global dividend. When he upgrades his third level, then 30 TRX goes, and same when he upgrades his 8th level, then of 6400 TRX, then 1000 TRX goes to global dividend. So if a single person joins and upgrades his all levels, then the total amount that goes to global dividend is 1920 TRX. Now who will get it? There is a eligibility criteria. If you qualify the criteria, then you are also one from the top leaders who have achieved it and who are earning it. It will be distributed every week. Once you qualify, doesn't matter if you qualify in 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, as soon as you qualify, you will start getting the global dividend every week Saturday. So what is the eligibility criteria here? You have to upgrade your ID till 3rd level. That is, you have to join with 100 TRX, then you have to upgrade your second level with 100 TRX, and then you have to upgrade your 3rd level also with 200 TRX. So your condition for 1 is completed. Do 3 directs only. You have to do 3 directs. You have to add 3 people under you. You have to refer 3 people under you with 100 TRX each. So your second condition is also fulfilled. Now fill your team till 3 levels. What does it mean? It means those 3 people, they have to refer 3 people under them, and those 9 people, they have to refer 3 people under them. So that is 3, 9 and 27. If you complete this structure, you are eligible to get global dividend. That will come lifetime every week. The total amount of fund collected there is divided by the total amount of total participants who have qualified, and then the amount is distributed among all of them. So thank you so much for listening and understanding the plan. I hope you have understood each and everything from it, and still if you have some doubts, you can ask who have sent you this video. There must be a number or a Zoom link. You can join from there, the Zoom meeting, and also you can call your friend who have sent you this video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.